I hope you got many outlets that will buy it, and it's not just for the rich people. Everybody need oxygen.
Yes. You want an honest taste, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Well, everything's honest, man. Truth, man. That's what it is.
Just honest what it tastes is because it's natural oxygen, supercharged.
I'll buy this. Yeah, I'll buy it.
Why would you buy it?
It's not harsh. It's pretty smooth. And it reminds us, I won't say that there's another brand it reminds me of. No, I'd buy it. I'd buy it. It's not harsh.
Just want your opinion on what you think. And you can talk into that.
It's alright. It's alright.
Yeah.
Both of you, come on, give us a drink.
Cheers.
Cheers. There you go. Tell me what you think of it.
Fresh. Nice, huh? Clean.
Good.
It's much more pure than normal water. I think it does help the teams a lot, you know. You think it's helped the teams? Yeah, I think it's helped the teams. Because our team's been drinking and we haven't lost a game yet.
Really? Excellent.
We want to get people's frank opinion.
It didn't taste nice. No. It is good.
See, and that was not sketch. I gave up. I'm very opinionated as well. I gave up. Yeah, I didn't realise that. It's smooth though.
What do you think of it, young man?
I really like it.
Yeah?
It's really nice.
Excellent. Brilliant. Right.
And sometimes people expect, oh, because it's got oxygen, it might taste different from normal water. But it's like I'm drinking normal water.
And I got to taste the water today.
It tastes amazing. I've just had one over there. But I feel like a bit.
What it's supposed to do?
A bit bouncy almost. So good stuff.
Excellent.
That's what I want.
Beautiful.
What do you think?
Beautiful.
Yeah?
Change your blood in 15 minutes, they tell me, and I believe it.
See, look at that.